Hey everyone, what is going on? I picked up a roof basket for the caliber. So I've kind of wanted a roof basket for a while, and just so happened that one of my friends, he has a Jeep now. He barely used this basket. He had a ton of other attachments, which unfortunately I don't really need. So I picked up this basket. It's a Reese basket, super cheap, and basically you don't really need any tools. At most you might need a tape measure, so that way you can make sure it's even on the top. So let's get going. So basically these are the brackets, and that way it sits below the top of the basket and there's nothing hanging down from your bar. And right here, these little holes here, is where it clamps the basket itself down, kind of like this. All these are upside down. So because of this being a basket and having its own little fairing, I have to take off this one so it doesn't look dumb. So now I got to get these dirt spots off. I already got the other side, so bear with me real quick. The caliber needs washed pretty bad. Now I got to get the little brackets off of that. Got all these clips off for the fairing on the old one, which I'm going to put in storage. Now I got to kind of figure out how to position this. So let me find you guys a spot where you can see what's going on. So it's on there. Now I got it pretty centered, and looks pretty decent from the side. It's pretty in the middle. Now I just got to put all these brackets on and go from there. It looks like I'm going to have to move one of the bars, probably this one, just move it back just a little bit so that it's right in the center like the front is. So got it on there, pretty square. I can't find my key, so I can't really move the bar, but this is the distance that Inno wants them at, so looks like I'll just be able to put those brackets on, so let me get doing that. So now that's on there. I just want to test and see if I can still fit the bike rack on the side of it. It'd be a little tight, but it is doable. It is still doable. I might have to space up this side so it's even with this metal. But yeah, definitely that would work. I could definitely have that on there too. I'm not going to put that on now, but then that's how that would be on there. I'd probably have to watch handlebars because they'd be off the side of the car, but definitely doable. Alright, so got the car and rack all hosed off. Definitely looks nice. Let me get a profile of it up here in the yard. It definitely doesn't look bad. So that was easy. No tools needed to install it. I didn't even use a tape measure. I just used my finger and my thumb, and got it on there, looking nice. I kind of always wanted a rack. I think the Reese racks are like 88 to like 120 depending on where you buy them from. So like I said, got this one off my friend. I really like the way it looks. It's not like too bulky, and yeah, really like it. But if you haven't noticed, I have kind of a theme for the caliber, which I feel most hatchback cars look good rally style. So like mud flaps, racks, all that. And it's useful. I plan on using it for vacation. That like once I put like a bag on it, like a weatherproof bag, it'll like double my trunk space. So that's good. Hope you guys like the video. I'm pumped. I can't stop looking at it. I'm probably gonna like take a bunch of pictures and put them on Instagram right now. But yeah, just a quick video. I kind of have some plans for the car, something I wasn't anticipating, but I was informed that probably can do it. I'm definitely pleased with how it looks. So I hope you guys like this video. Kind of short, but there's nothing to it. You can do it with your hands as long as you have roof bars. So I hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe. Till next time.